Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the timer feature on your iPhone. So let's get started. So the very first thing is you're going to look for the clock app. You can look for it or you can search for it here. Go ahead and open up the clock app. Now, when you open up the clock app, you may be in one of these tabs. What you want to do is switch over to the timers tab. Now, once you switch over to the timers tab, you have different ways to set a timer. So you have your hours, your minutes, and your seconds. So let's say I wanted to maybe set a 5-minute timer. I would just adjust this by swiping up and down. And then after that, you can also select basically what kind of alarm you want to play to notify when the timer has been finished. So then you would just click on start. And then as you can see here, we have now started a timer for 5 minutes. Then you can pause it. Or if you like, you can also add another timer as well by clicking up here, maybe another timer. I'll set here for 1 hour. You can adjust the presets here. And then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on OK. And now as you can see here, I have another timer. Now, in order to pause, you can click on this, or to basically stop or delete, you just swipe to the left and then click on delete, just like that. And then we'll pause this one again and then swipe to the left to delete if I'm done with the timer. And this is a history of your recent timers as well. If you want to reuse another timer, again, you can just go ahead and click on to start as well. So that's how you use the timer feature on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.